Hello and welcome to the course Hands-on TensorFlow for Smart Application Development. Let me first introduce myself. I'm Saikat. I'm a data scientist and research engineer with a keen interest on cutting-edge technology. I love problem solving and tinkering, and I want to spread the message that AI is a friend of humanity. The course overview. The course will be divided into 5 sections. In the first section, we shall get to know why do we need smart applications and what are some of the smart features that we can incorporate into our apps. In the second section, we shall dive into the machine learning pipeline and get to know a general understanding of how stuff works. In the third section, we shall discuss about TensorFlow on Android devices. In the fourth section, we shall build some smart applications for iOS devices. And in the final section, we shall build some example applications that leverage the power of AI. The goals of this course are to get machine learning in your applications without delving into the details. We shall learn the art of building smart applications using pre-built machine learning models and scripts. We shall be building our first smart iOS and Android apps, and we shall learn how to add intelligent features in your existing applications. The motto of this course will be to build it yourself. And why this course? So this course will be practical and hands-on. This course shall utilize the most popular machine learning libraries and tools. And we shall develop full-on projects in each of the sections. So without further ado, let us get started.